Imagine a world where your refrigerator can send you a text when the milk is running low, or where streetlights turn on only when a car is near to save energy. Sounds futuristic? Well, this is already happening. In this lesson, we'll explore different computing devices and compare them in terms of their capabilities, accessibility, and energy consumption. Then, we'll introduce an exciting concept called the Internet of Things, or IoT, that connects devices to make our lives smarter and more efficient. Here's how we'll go. First, we'll look at device capabilities. Second, we'll think about accessibility and fairness. Third, we'll consider energy use. Finally, we'll connect it all through the Internet of Things. Devices are everywhere: laptops, smartphones, tablets, and even small controllers like a micro-bit. Each has different capabilities. For example, a smartphone is portable and can take photos, but a desktop computer is usually more powerful for gaming or programming. Now let's think about accessibility. Some devices are easier to use because of their size, price, or design. For example, tablets can be great for young kids or for people who struggle with typing, while some devices might be too expensive for everyone to access. Energy consumption is another key factor. A desktop computer uses more electricity than a tablet. Devices that use less energy are better for the planet and often more affordable to use long-term. When we connect these devices together through the Internet of Things, or IoT, they can talk to each other. For example, a smartwatch can send health data to your phone, or smart thermostats can save electricity by adjusting the temperature when no one is home. Pause and think. Which device do you use the most, and why? Is it because of its capability, its accessibility, or its energy efficiency? Now, imagine a device in your home becoming part of the Internet of Things. How would it change your daily life? So today, we compared devices by looking at their capabilities, accessibility, and energy consumption. Then, we discovered how the Internet of Things connects devices to make our world smarter. Next time you use your phone, tablet, or computer, think about how it could work together with other devices around you. Technology isn't just about machines, it's about making life easier, fairer, and more sustainable.